Bioking Probiotic Cleaning System uses three main products. When used correctly, these can clean any workplace. The three products are Bioking Probiotic Solution, supplied shown here in a 20-litre container. Bioking Multi-Purpose Cleaner, also supplied in a 20-litre container. And our general-purpose COVID-tested sanitizer, supplied in a 5-litre container. For ease of use, the Probiotic Solution and Multi-Purpose Cleaner must be transferred into a smaller bottle or fogging machine for use. When transferring to a spray bottle, you must first apply the correct label to the outside of the bottle. Once you have your bottles correctly labelled, you can fill them with an appropriate Bioking product. To do this, first tip the 20-litre container on its back so that the plug is facing up. Then use the tool supplied to unscrew the plug as shown here. Remove the plug and screw in the tap fitting provided. Be sure that the tap fits tightly in the thread and finishes facing the bottom of the container as shown. You may need to thread the tap more than once to get a tight fit in the right position.
The benefits of using the Bioking system enables the franchisee to achieve three things. One, save money. The level of energy doing the same thing over and over again. So it's really being smart about it and saving money. The second thing, it's a one-stop product. You don't need 20 different types of products to be able to deliver quality cleaning.
Fog solution and the multi-purpose cleaner, but there are some differences in how the two products are applied. The Probiotic solution can be used when we want to provide a dry clean. A dry clean can be applied to walls, fabric, furniture, ceilings, books and toys, curtains and blinds, and even lightly over computer equipment. We call it a dry clean because the fogger is set to a light 30 micron spray, which only leaves a fine mist. This will then dry on surfaces without having to wipe them down further. The multi-purpose cleaner is used with the fogger when you want to provide a wet clean. A wet clean can be applied to floors, lockers, doors, hard furniture like desks and chairs, and any other surface with marks that will need wiping or scrubbing. When applying a wet clean, the fogger should be set at 50 micron spray or more. The higher the setting, the more product will be applied and the wetter the surface. So it is often useful to start at a setting of 50 and work your way up as needed. Once the multi-purpose cleaner is applied, you will then wipe down surfaces with a microfiber cloth or flat mop. When you've applied the multi-purpose cleaner with a fogger, you use a dry cloth to wipe down glass surfaces like windows. Use a cloth to wipe down hard surfaces such as desks or tables. The cloth can be wet or dry. A wet cloth will assist if the product has dried on the surface. Remember, the product continues to work even if it has dried. Flat mops can be used after the multi-purpose cleaner is applied with the fogging machine. Then just use a flat mop as you normally would. If you need to spot clean, you can apply more multi-purpose cleaner from your spray bottle and then rub with a flat mop to remove. On hard wool surfaces, you can also use the fogger to apply the multi-purpose cleaner and flat mop to finish. Again, you can use a spray bottle to target stubborn areas and then use a microfiber cloth to wipe. For windows, you can choose to apply the multi-purpose cleaner with the fogger or the spray bottle. Then wipe down with the dry microfiber cloth. The spray bottle should always be used for spot cleaning. Using a dry cloth is very important as it will prevent streaky marks. For high traffic areas like canteens that have a lot of dirt build-up, you can fog the floor using Bioking Multi-Purpose Cleaner at setting 50, then follow up using a floor scrubber. This will remove all grime from the floor. For corners or hard-to-reach areas of the floor, use the flat mop. You can use the spray bottle to help soften stubborn stains. You can also use the spray bottle with Bioking Multi-Purpose Cleaner with a wet cloth to clean dirt from walls and skirting areas.